What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Mattress Breeze. In this video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks for the Tuft & Needle Mint mattress. The Tuft & Needle Mint mattress is a real high quality memory foam mattress, and these tips and tricks are really going to help you maximize the value you get out of it. Now, for your convenience, we have included our links to all the products we discuss in the video description, so if you see anything you like, be sure to check out those links for the latest info on pricing and availability, because this does change from time to time. But with that being said, let's get started. Now, my first tip for this mattress is to be sure to rotate it every so often. This is important for all mattresses in order to keep them fresh, but it's especially important for full foam mattresses like this one. This is because even though foam mattresses do have really sturdy bases, and especially in the high-end ones like this, they're typically pretty durable. Since foam isn't nearly as strong as the metal that usually goes into spring mattresses, putting a lot of pressure on the same points in the mattress over a long period of time can eventually cause it to lose its form a little. So rotating the mattress every few months definitely helps prevent this. Now, this doesn't need to be too often either, but I would say every 3 to 6 months would be ideal. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress topper. Now, this mattress, while being extremely comfortable and filled with memory foam that conforms to your body and gives you nice pressure relieving back support, really isn't the softest. It doesn't really have any comfort foam in it. So if you're looking for that soft cloud-like type of texture, this mattress, for all the strengths it has, is probably going to leave a little bit to be desired. But luckily, you can improve this experience with a mattress topper. This specific mattress topper in the video is the Sleep Innovations dual layer gel memory foam mattress topper. Now, mattress toppers come in all shapes, sizes, and textures, but this specific one is not only really ventilated with a great cooling system, but it's also extremely soft. So if you're looking for that cloud-like type of texture, this will be a great one to combine with this mattress. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress bag. Mattress bags are really useful when you're transporting or storing a mattress, especially a mattress that's higher end like this, because even though it does technically come with a mattress cover, when you're moving it around or even storing it in a closet or something like that, it'll be exposed to not only more risk of damage, but more dust and dirt and stuff like that as well. Having a good mattress bag is not only going to protect it, but it can also make it much easier to move. This mattress bag in the video is the MatSafe Mattress Bag by Nordic. This mattress bag not only is made of a nice thick tarp material to protect the mattress from harm, but it also has handles that makes moving the mattress a lot easier in general. My next tip for this mattress is to use a bed frame that can hold it without a box spring. Now, don't get me wrong, box springs can be useful in their own way, but in this day and age, there's so many options out there that don't require them, so being sure to get a good bed frame that doesn't need a box spring in order to hold your mattress is going to save you a lot of time and trouble when you're initially setting up your bed. This specific bed frame is the Zinus Omicron upholstered platform bed frame. Not only are this bed frame slats strong enough to hold this mattress without a box spring, but the bed frame also has a nice, unique, stylish look that's going to go with pretty much any setup in your bedroom, and a really useful, durable headboard as well. My next tip for this mattress is to use the right pillows. Pillows come in all different shapes, sizes, and textures, so it's really important that you choose one that's right for you. Everyone's going to have their own needs and preferences, so definitely be aware of what you prefer. For example, if you'd rather have a pillow that's more focused on support for your neck and head, you might prefer a memory foam pillow like this Coop Home Goods pillow. But on the other hand, if you typically prefer more softness and comfort, this pair of Beckham Hotel Collection pillows might be more to your liking. Regardless of your specific needs and preferences, choosing the right pillows for you is going to make a huge difference in the experience you get with this mattress. My next tip for this mattress is to use a mattress cover. Now, technically, this mattress does come with a mattress cover already that does a pretty good job at protecting the internal parts of the mattress itself. But with that being said, unfortunately, this mattress cover can't be removed, so if you get some sort of spill or something like that on it, you're not going to be able to take it off to wash it. As a result, it can be quite a pain to clean it. The easy solution to this, of course, is to get an additional mattress cover to go on top of it. That way, if anything gets on it, you can easily just take it off, put it in the wash, and put it right back on. Now, this specific mattress cover in the video is the SafeRest Mattress Protector. I really like this mattress cover because not only does it do its job really well and it's completely washable, but it also goes on the mattress just like any fitted sheet, so it's extremely fast and easy to get it set up. My next tip for this mattress is to use a taller bed frame. There are several reasons for this. First of all, a taller bed frame is of course going to give you more elevation off the ground, which can be comfortable, and it also makes it a lot easier to match the height of your bed to the height of furniture like a nightstand, dresser, or end table. Having a taller bed frame also gives you more clearance off the ground, allowing you to store more items underneath. This specific bed frame in the video is the Amazon Basics foldable metal platform bed frame. This bed frame not only fits the requirement of my previous tip of getting a bed frame that doesn't need a box spring, but it also has a ton of clearance underneath for storage and a simple foldable design that's easy to set up and easy to take apart to store. My last tip for this mattress is to be sure to let it air out to give it time to fully expand before using it. This mattress does come really tightly sealed, both in order to fit it into a smaller box and to protect it from damage during shipping. As a result, it's going to be pretty flat when you get it. And while this is pretty important for all mattresses, it's especially important for a mattress like this that's made entirely of foam, because with a hybrid mattress that has springs at the base instead of foam, the springs typically hold their form a little bit better. Now, it is recommended that this mattress be given around 72 hours to fully expand, and while it technically is usable long before that, giving it as close to the full 72 hours as you can is going to ensure it reaches its proper shape and size, and as a result, gives you a better experience and lasts longer in general. But those were our tips and tricks for the Tuft & Needle Mint mattress. Overall, this is a great mattress, and with these tips and tricks, you're not only going to get a great experience, but also a lot of longevity out of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you found this information useful as well. Once again, we have included the links to every product we discuss in this video, so if you did see anything you like, be sure to check out the link in the description below to see the latest info on pricing and availability, because this does change from time to time. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and as always, I will see you in the next video.